Stop and do this if your back feels tight and stiff. It takes just 5 minutes, requires no equipment, and is beginner friendly. Let's begin on our backs. We'll start with our supine breath. Think of pushing your belly button towards the spine, your full back, so even your lower back is on your mat. With this posture, we'll inhale and exhale. Pull the belly button towards your spine. Inhale. Exhale. One last inhale. And exhale. With this awareness of the spine, we'll windshield wipe the knees, first towards the left, and then they'll fall to the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Now extend your right leg and bring the left knee in for your wind relieving pose. You can move the knee side to side towards you to massage the lumbar spine. This is your practice, so you do what feels nice. Switch sides. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Another deep breath in and exhale. Slowly come onto your sit bones. Cross the legs and come to the front of your mat. We'll start with cat-cow. Inhale. Shine the chest forward. Exhale and round the back. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale back. Last inhale forward. And exhale around the spine. Now move a little more backwards so you have lots of space to the front of your mat. And slowly walk your hands to the front of your mat so you come into puppy pose. Think of putting your hips over knees and imagine that there is a string pulling your chest towards the mat. Feel your upper back open up. Now slowly come forward onto your forearms. Roll your shoulders back and just sit in this simple pose called swings pose. You don't do very much in this pose, but it does wonders for your lower back, trust me. Last inhale and exhale. Come for low cobra. Press into the hands and shine the chest forward. By the way, we're already halfway through. See how quick this is? Come to downward dog with our knees bent. And let's get to the center of our mat again. We'll roll the shoulders back. And forwards. For our last exercise, we'll clasp the hands behind our back and push backwards so it looks like this. Inhale and exhale. If you want, you can stay here, or you can clasp the hands to the front and push so you're around the back. And release. Notice what changed. Maybe your back feels a little lighter, a little softer, or you feel a little more open. Save this for the next time you feel stiff and tap here to keep moving. I'll see you there. Namaste.